First off, we want to thank you for getting StockRush. With StockRush, you'll never have to worry about having the stock media you need to make money online ever again. Plus, with all the additional features that we've included with StockRush, you've got a complete system for editing your stock media and making easy profits with a few clicks of your mouse. Now, although StockRush gives you a complete platform for all your stock media needs, we have put together a deluxe version of StockRush that takes everything to the next level and gives you access to even more money-making features. And as one of our most valued customers, you have the one-time opportunity to get your hands on it right now. Introducing the StockRush Deluxe Suite. If you're serious about getting the most out of the StockRush software that you just purchased, you'll actually want to get this upgrade. And here's why. The version of StockRush you currently have gives you access to 5 million stock media files. And when you upgrade to Deluxe, your access doubles to over 10 million stock media files. Now, these additional stock media files are top quality, and you get access to stock media across every niche imaginable. You'll also add the ability to download all stock media with just one click of your mouse. You can download to any device, and this makes it even easier to edit your media for use on all of your projects. Because we want the Deluxe upgrade to have everything you need to save time and make even more money, we're also including a built-in high-performance editor that allows you to edit your media right inside the StockRush platform. Now, this editor is newbie-friendly and doesn't require any special skills or experience to use. Plus, you also get access to Facebook Pixel support. And you'll be able to generate hot leads with a few clicks of your mouse with our lead generation opt-in overlay system. There's no technical skills or coding required. And you'll be able to add an opt-in overlay to any embedded media using the built-in lead generation tool. As you can see, Deluxe takes everything to the next level and makes it even easier for you to get big results with StockRush. Of course, the best part about this upgrade, it's the price. To show you just how much we appreciate your business, we're slashing the price to upgrade to Deluxe for all of our StockRush customers. We could easily charge an additional $997 for this upgrade, but as our valued customer, you won't pay anywhere near that right now. To lock in your discount, click the button below right now, but please don't wait around. The special discount is only available when you upgrade to Deluxe right now because we don't want anything to stop you from getting this money-making upgrade. We're giving you access to some exclusive bonuses, and you'll also get a full 30 days to make sure that this is for you. And that means if you change your mind for any reason, all you have to do is let us know and we'll send you a refund. If you like the idea of getting access to more stock media, a powerful built-in editor, and advanced features that will save you time and make you money, then you owe it to yourself to upgrade to StockRush Deluxe right now by clicking the button below.